Hey, how's it going? Let's face it, most of us have some really disgusting looking blinds in our house that we dread cleaning because it's almost impossible to get all that dirt and grease off of them, especially off the strings. Today I'm going to teach you a really cool technique for cleaning the faux wood blinds quickly and efficiently so they look sparkling brand new again. So let's get started. Alright, you'll need the following tools and materials. A ladder. Any 6-foot tall A-frame type of ladder works. An 8-foot tall ladder works even better. 2 thin boards that are about 4 feet in length and about a ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch thick. You'll be hanging the blinds on these. They need to be able to slide through the slats of the blinds. 2 C-clamps. A spray bottle full of degreaser. A garden hose with a spray nozzle attachment. A leaf blower and an extension cord. And some cleaning rags. The very first step is removing the blinds. Now I'm going to assume you've already got this covered. I want to stay focused on the cleaning of the blinds. Alright, now let's talk about the setup. You want to set up your A-frame ladder by spreading the legs apart. Next, you'll take one of the thin boards and place it through the rungs of the ladder at about eye level. It should go all the way through the ladder so it sticks out on both sides. Open up your C-clamp just large enough to fit under the rung of the ladder and over the thin board. Tighten the clamp. These particular type of clamps are my favorite ones because they're so tighten and to loosen. If you have a lot of blinds to clean, you can place one blind on each side of the ladder. This will save you a lot of time and you can really crank them out. Slide a faux wood blind onto the 2 thin wooden boards. The end of the thin piece of wood should go between the top of the metal channel and the first blind slat. Position the blinds as far away from the ladder as possible so it's hanging, not pushed up against the ladder. Pull on the string or twist the rod to get the slats to close most of the way. Get your garden hose with a spray nozzle attachment. If you don't have a spray nozzle, just hold your thumb partially over the tip of the hose. That works too. I'd like to start spraying with a medium wide spray pattern. I found this quickly removes about 95% of all the dust and dirt. And on some blinds it takes care of all the dirt. Next I spray degreaser on the areas that need it. Be sure to spray the strings. There may be just a few tiny spots that need touch-up spray, or you may need to spray the entire blind, which only takes about 30 seconds. I found that a product called Amazing works amazingly well, and it's just as good as any other degreaser. It can be found at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. Ideally, let it soak for a few minutes while you go get the next blind down from your house and bring it out to your cleaning station. Now, you're going to go use the jet mode on your spray nozzle. This allows you to blast off any grease spots, dirt that just doesn't want to let go. I also like to spray the inside of the top metal railing track that somehow also accumulates dust. You may find that there's still a few grease spots remaining even after you've sprayed it with a jet. Just give them another squirt with a degreaser and rub them off with a rag. The final step is blow drying the blinds. This is where your leaf blower comes in really handy. I start by blowing out the top middle channel and then working my way down from slat to slat. This step takes the longest, but you're really just trying to get most of the water off. If it's a hot sunny day, it really helps a lot with the drying. You can blow dry the backside too, but I would push the blind closer to the ladder so it doesn't get blown off onto the ground. You might also want to hold on to it with one hand. Now optionally, you can pull the blind off the boards, flip it around, and remount it for blowing. I like to do one final inspection and use a rag to clean off any final spots I missed. It's now time to replace the blind over the window and slide the next blind onto the ladder for cleaning. Rinse and repeat, literally. When you're done, step back, take a deep breath, and enjoy the beauty of your sparkling new, clean looking faux wood blinds.